You're listening to leadai.dev. Anthropic tests Mythos, a new era for AI model development. Anthropic's latest AI model, Mythos, is set to redefine capabilities for developers in the AI landscape. What shipped? According to leadai.dev, Anthropic has begun testing its new AI model, Mythos, which is reportedly their most powerful model yet. While specific version numbers and API endpoints have not been disclosed, the focus appears to be on improving natural language understanding and generation capabilities. Reports suggest that Mythos will support a significantly larger context window compared to previous models, potentially exceeding 200K tokens. This is a notable leap from existing models, which typically max out at around 100K tokens. The new model is also expected to enhance the accuracy of responses in varied contexts, particularly in technical domains where precision is crucial. Anthropic has not yet released pricing details, but it is anticipated that they will maintain a competitive pricing structure similar to their existing offerings. Mythos to support context windows over 200K tokens, advancing from 100K enhanced accuracy for technical and complex queries expected. Why this matters. The introduction of Mythos is likely to impact teams of all sizes, especially those working with large-scale applications that require extensive API calls. Teams currently utilizing models that support fewer tokens may find that those limits hinder their workflow, particularly for projects requiring deep contextual understanding. For example, teams running over 1,000 API calls a day will see a significant boost in performance and efficiency with Mythos. In scenarios where developers previously had to break down inputs due to token limitations, Mythos could allow for a more streamlined and efficient process. However, there are trade-offs to consider. While Mythos promises to enhance capabilities, teams will need to adapt their existing workflows to take full advantage of the expanded features. This could involve reworking existing code bases or retraining models, which might require additional resources. Teams with over 1,000 API calls/day could see major performance improvements. Potential need for workflow adjustments to fully utilize new capabilities. How to take advantage. If you're using AI models for complex document processing, here's what to do. First, keep an eye on updates from Anthropic regarding the availability of Mythos. Within the next month, ensure that your development environment is prepared to adapt to the new model. Look for announcements regarding the specific API endpoint for Mythos and familiarize yourself with its capabilities. Once available, update your existing API calls to utilize Mythos by replacing the current model identifier with that of Mythos. It's also advisable to conduct performance testing by comparing outputs from both your current model and Mythos. This will help you gauge the improvements in accuracy and efficiency. Depending on the results, you may need to iterate on your implementation for optimal integration. Stay updated on Mythos API endpoint releases from Anthropic. Prepare your environment for migration to the new model. What to watch. As Mythos rolls out, teams should be vigilant about potential risks, particularly concerning data privacy and model biases. New models often come with unforeseen limitations, and Anthropic's commitment to ethical AI will be crucial for addressing these concerns. Watch for beta testing timelines. A broader rollout is expected within the next quarter, but initial access may be limited to select partners. Additionally, monitor user feedback and performance metrics closely. Early adopters can provide insights that will be invaluable for refining usage and addressing any challenges. Thank you for listening, leadai.dev. Keep an eye on data privacy and model bias issues. Expect broader rollout of Mythos within the next quarter. Key takeaways. Teams using existing models for large contexts can expect improved performance with Mythos. Prepare for potential workflow changes to fully leverage Mythos's capabilities. Monitor initial user feedback to refine implementation strategies. Market signals. Increase competition in AI tools. The introduction of Mythos signals a shift in AI capabilities, possibly leading to more competitive pricing and features among major players. What to do next? If your team processes large data sets with existing models, plan to migrate to Mythos within 30 days to leverage enhanced capabilities. If you're currently limited by token constraints, prioritize transitioning to Mythos to streamline your workflows. If you're on a tight budget, assess the cost benefits of migrating to Mythos versus maintaining current models before the quarter ends. This has been leadai.dev. Stay building.